How do you play this market then? We have Shreekant Jha joining us on the line from Chennai for a check on all these commodities. Shreekant, let's start with crude prices, because while the contango or the spread between the two contracts was quite huge, we are back above $40. But do you feel that there is still a vulnerability for the crude prices to slip below 40?
Yeah, it's still weak. If you look at crude, it's still not showing any signs of a correction. We feel that this will still come down maybe to about $33 or 30, which is the next support. If at all there's a resistance, if it moves up, I think $45 or $52 should be the next resistance.
How do you see this year ending?
It's still weak. Crude has not shown any signs of even stabilizing at present.
To gold then, and that has seen some good gains. December has seen 12% of gains in case of gold. How do you see that commodity panning out now?
Yeah, gold is still moving in the sideways, of maybe that $750 to $850 is what we've been seeing it. And at present, we feel that, it's got a strong support at about 830 and 810. And a resistance at 880 and 895 is what we think it'll go up to now.
Copper back below $3,000 a ton in LME. What kind of ranges or what kind of a strategy would you have for base metals?
I don't know. The copper seriously has been taking such a beating. I mean, I think we saw it at 350 in October. Now you're seeing it at 140. It's still looking weak. We are still targeting 138 and 135 on the lower side, with some form of resistance maybe at 154 and 162. But on the whole, it is very weak.
So would you advise us sell as we end this year and get into the new year?
Yeah, I mean, at present, I definitely wouldn't advise you to buy.
To an agro commodity then, and the edible oil prices also have seen some decline in the markets. The cues, of course, are coming in from the international markets also. But we've seen Malaysian palm oil gain a bit, 3.5% actually in the morning. Do you think there is some kind of support coming in from global cues there?
Yeah, because the agri commodities are basically doing a little better. It was down for a while, but now even things like RM seed and all have started moving up. And in fact, they're trading on the upside. So we are looking at it being a little bullish now at present. Even soya, in fact, for that matter, has been moving up.
Point taken, Shreekant. Thank you so much for taking time out for us. So